Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, today we are gonna do a fish pose. And guys, I love fishes and mermaids. Mermaid is my the favorite thing in the sea because I don't know if they're real or not, but still I like them. And I just want to say something. We are also gonna do some variations. As I wanted to make some, so I added them also. So guys, let's throw this because we don't have any use of this. So, oh come on, don't come back. I'll just keep it, guys. Okay guys, I'm back. So let's start. So first, we have to straighten our legs, and now we have to lie down with your back straight and your hands in the front, and look up and breathe in and breathe out. Okay, so now by breathing in, we are gonna tuck in our head in like this. So guys, this is a fish pose, as you have to also bend your back. And guys, I forgot to tell the benefits and I wanted to show them, so I didn't tell them before. So first, it helps in breathing. The next thing, if you have back pain or neck pain, it will just solve it because you can see as it's bending your back and it's also bending your neck, and it's also good for your lungs. So guys, now let's start with our variations. So our first variation, we are going to fold our legs like this and we are going to sit on them. So basically now what you have to do is slowly come back, and your head should be looking back like this, like this. So this is our first variation. So guys, as you can see, again it's stretching my back and my neck. So breathe, and you have to breathe in and breathe out for so let's breathe in and breathe out. Oh, it's difficult to get up. Now let's So guys, now let's come into Padmasana. My leg is too tangled now, and now it's not gonna come out. So let's do it. Head looking back, come down slowly. Oops, I fell. And like this, let's breathe in and breathe out. Again, it's too difficult. Get up. Oops. So basically, it's too tight that I can also swing. So now, this one I made because I just needed that. Let's add something in this. So basically, what you have to do is make in types of 4, and then look back and come and touch your head on the floor. It's very easy as you're not getting tangled, and So guys, let's do our last one, which I made. So let's go. One. So let's go. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, so guys, finally we are getting our bouncy ball. So bye guys, if you like my